Good morning. It's September 23rd. It's about 8:02 in the morning, and just having a quick look at the energy markets right now. Crude oil's up about 50 cents, and diesel's up about a penny, a little over a penny. So let's have a look at the crude oil chart, and as you can see here, we have been I've been keeping an eye on this trend line here, which basically would have been resistance, and it looks like we're just above it right now. Not a lot. The market's actually, this shows that it's down like 3 cents, but let's see if I can get this refreshed too. Yeah, so anyway, we are, let's double check this. The chart's not refreshing, so yeah, we're up a bit today, so this chart is not quite right, but we're actually above this trend line now. So if that's the case, it now becomes support again, and of course we have this trend line coming down here, so we're probably going to start either gravitating up towards the $74 range. Not exactly sure what would push us in that direction, other than some activity in the Middle East or the Ukraine-Russia situation. So it'll be interesting to watch this. I'm kind of wondering if we won't, because generally the market sort of takes a bit of a dip towards December because basically the demand is down. We might get a little pop in here for some heating oil demand if it gets cold, but I would expect it to come back down and get down into maybe the $68 range, but that means we'd have to break through this support line again, and we'd just be floating around down here. So that's what I would like to see it do. I would like to see if it have a retracement and create a double bottom. But it may not do that. It's hard to say. We're just in the beginning stages of getting above this trend line here, so we'll just have to see how it reacts this week. So, and I'll keep an eye on it, and you'll see it as I put the videos up. So let's take a look at grain futures. And of course, we have to have an ad, but there we are. Grain futures are looking super good today, guys. Yeah, I mean, wheat's up like 15, 16 cents. Spring wheat's up 10 to 12. That's a really good day, right? So it's fun to look at something like that. And there's the chart. That's a nice green candle right there. This particular candle kind of worried me because, you know, the market would have tried to go up and basically the bears pushed it back down to about where it started. And those kind of candle formations are not, to me, they're not great because the momentum got pushed back down. But for whatever reason today, it's decided, yep, it's time to go back up. So the only thing I would think about here is we are in a slight uptrend here because we did create a little bit of a higher low. But if you look at this, I mean, we're almost creating what could possibly be a head and shoulders pattern, and forming the right shoulder here. If it doesn't get much past this 626 area, we could be heading back down, and if that shoulder forms, it could go quite a ways down and test this low. So not telling you what to do, but if we get up in this range here again, I'd keep a really close eye on it, and if you are wanting to sell some grain, maybe that's a good time. If this was more in like a 45-degree angle and we were trading up here as a low, I'd feel better about going higher, but it just doesn't look that strong to me. Even though today is a strong day, if we could stall out at this range right here at 626, and that would be, I think, where it would start to have a downturn, and could get a little bit ugly again. So that's just pure speculation on my part, just looking at it and seeing what, you know, Head and Shoulders patterns usually look like. So this is another one of those things where we'll have to keep an eye on it when it gets up in this range and see if it breaks through. If not, and you have some grain to sell, I would sell it here if you're looking to get rid of it. And then this is just the spring wheat chart. I haven't really looked at the Chicago wheat futures. I'll probably do that tomorrow and see if there's a difference between that and this spring wheat chart. So anyway, that's what I got for you today, guys, and we'll see you in the next video.